single bunyuma. Should we send right now or single?
Oblama boli single we bunyumira nti before you go into a relationship. Zebra, I am giving myself a lot of time to know how to handle myself as a single person. Let me first work on my emotions, how to handle myself, how to do this, so that when a right partner comes to me, I know how it's going to be.
Abantu bagala kumanya oli single right now.
I'm happy, I'm okay. I'm okay.
Abantu bali bamanyi omwami Henrie. How would you say that right now oli single?
But I was on TV the other time and I told you I'm on a break. And it's very okay to be on a break. Everyone was saying, Banago mkazi, it is very okay to be on a break. But I will mugugu. Totally fine. Whatever you're losing direction. Go on a break. Tokaka tosika because the more you pull strings, mugenda kweswaza, mugenda kolensobi, mugenda kuwabwaso.
Prima oli mu break pakadi. Oli mu break pakadi.
I am focusing on me.
So focusing on me now. You and Mr. Henrie, nti ensonga zaaliwo, nti obuzibu ko bava nti kuvano kugenda Dubai. Obuzibu bwava.
Buli omu kyamanyi ekyo out there.
Ekituufu ki?
I personally have my reasons. I have to go on a break. I have to learn how to handle myself. Bulungi nga sinagenda mu relationship ndala. Kane obudde nga meant kati PRIMA. Kati now when a right partner comes, I'm ready. I know how to handle my life, my emotions, my happiness, my joy, my sad times. Yeah.
Meaning you and Mr. Henrie no more?
Yeah, we're not. But not in a bad way. We are good.
PRIMA ni yakula bisanga ebiseera ebyo nga Mr. Henrie like as if nga mugama relationship yammwe ye yabagalanda tegenda kuddamu kusangukawo
ngati yasangukawo ibbo
omusajja amukyawa
buli omu yali yeetaga break to focus on their lives. Ibra fete twagenda mu relationship muwawa buli omu alina goal, buli omu alina dream. I'm so sure he's focusing on his dream, and I'm also trying to put my path right. I'm trying to focus on myself as well, my brand and everything. I see he's also focusing. I'm like, yeah, at the end of the day, it's going to make sense. After we are up there, we are going to meet at the top. Okay. Yeah, and we're like, yeah, it makes sense now.
Finally, it ends in tears.
It is not tears. It is not tears. I'll be crying. Now, waking up and say, let me focus on myself. I want the best for me and for him as well. I'm very sure we are going to meet on the top. We are focusing and it will make sense.
Ebigambibwa nti Mr. Henrie kyokuvamu ene echanga nawe nti wagende Dubai n'ogaba olusaniya. How true is that?
Tuli just could break, ya focusing ku goals, relationship, life. Buli omu alina okumanya how to handle themselves. Bulungi to prepare ourselves for the next relationships. Yeah, that's how life is supposed to be. Relationship si ya kufiirako. Yeah, sintu si bya kwefiirako. Olina ogenda mu relationship naye nga naawe olina goaliyo, olina kyoyagala okubeera. Ate nemekisakisuula, bwe nagenda mu relationship sasuula what I want to be outside. I came along with me. So when nalaba nga nkijjeeko nnyo obwongo, I decided to go back at it and focus.
Oyinza okuŋŋamba nti gwe ne Mr. Henrie mwalina misunderstandings before?
No, tetwalina.
Wava from out of the blue no gama nti kangende mu break.
Bidala biveeko nekyo bamanya we are focusing on our.
People want to know PRIMA what happened really.
People should know I'm on a break. We are all focused on our goals.
Obo oyagala kuddira baby daddy. You want to
No.
Because tulabe ennaku zino.
But do I look like someone who can go back easily just like that? I'm not that confused. I'm not confused. I'm someone who knows what I want. I am someone who will stand up and say, I want a break if I want it, and you have nothing to do with it because I'm a human being. Ndi mukazi mukulu. Lero machane ngamba baby nsaba ku break. Ba kuntunga
ne PRIMA nga watijjanga ne Mr. Henrie.
Then
Snapchat ezifuka Snapchat nojjayo n'ebifaananyi bye.
When I'm in relationship mwali mwagala mbeere ntya.
Wajjayo n'ebifaananyi.
Postinga. Hey. Everything happens for a reason.
Muntu yali amanyi relationship ya moteri gwao.
Hey, it ended.
Atembo gwaga gwa ali osingo kwagala omusajja.
Fela try to yagala. Nga ate relationship tetuziba maaso ne tuva ku future goals zetuyina fenga abantu. Relationship tesa tuziba maaso. Tulina okusigala ku mulama zinaganya sigala ku mulamwa. I want to be on a good pace. I've not lost focus. Chovana kama chane ngamba I want someone who's different from me. Okay. Ishegeda. Nga not a mirror.
Ebanga lyobadde ne Mr. Henrie yali akunyizizaako.
Why you saying that? Right.
Because waberanga nnyo walaga nti olina omukwano
of course relationships zibaamu understandings ne misunderstandings. No, it doesn't matter. Yeah, it doesn't.
Prima, wajjayo mbwe ebifaananyi bya Henrie ku Instagram, ku Facebook.
Tuli ku break Ibra.
Kyogamba bw'oba ogenze mu break kikulagamba kujjayo bifaananyi byonna bya muntu enkolagana gye wayinawo kitegeeza toyagala kuddamu mulabako anymore everywhere.
Not in a bad way. I don't know why people. To me, it's normal. Like someone can wake up and say, "Let me have a break from a relationship and focus on me." It's so normal because I felt like I'm losing track. I'm so into a relationship. My relationships in Korabu, we always get lost in them.
I know.
So Nagamba Katika okay college. Never more day. It's okay focusing and not in a bad way. No, not at all.
Baby daddy asubira okudda oba nedda. Kuba Prima tulaba George buli wabeera. Naku zinakwogerako. Bwaba agenze kuyimba ku Mama Soraj.
Have children and that is not going to end tomorrow. So tulina abana to respecting that relationship yabana. He's also in a relationship with someone else that I respect and I'm so happy that he's happy. Yeah. I don't even want anything to do with their relationship.
Prima zobeera mu relationship kati neno kati naye
yakubiri mkwano ziri mekezi mbojobe
kuba kati munnayo kyokuba nti odde eno nodde eri
relationship is try and error and then try again until you find the right person. Akitegeera
Henrie teyali musajja mutuufu. Henrie teyali musajja mutuufu.
Toteka bigambo mukamwa kange. What you have to know is relationship is a try and error.
Wali tokiraba mu kusooka kugenda mu nkwano ne Mr. Henrie maybe
I was
is the right person.
I was just not focused. So I'm just focusing on me. Nature of my relationship try and error. So relationship we beganye. It is very okay for me to move out and then get another relationship. I have to try.
Prima kigenda kutwalira bbanga ky'okubeera mu holiday. Ng'okyanoonya omusajja omutuufu okubeera
amanyi kyo bano okumuyina muyina naye sikitalekako nnyo bwongo. I don't want it to be out there. I want, if I have my man, to be there. Yeah, when Mama postinze, I'll post him, but not every time. I don't want it to be people's business. Now younger people's business is.
Lwaki ebiseera ebisinga nti oba oyawukanya n'omwagalwawo that moment ze mwalinawo zibanga remembrance especially muziteeka ku mitimbagano gyammwe egya Facebook, Instagram, whatsoever bwe mutuuka okwawukana n'ogenda n'ojjayo ebintu twalabye ne Shira Gashumba yakoze ekintu
obadde obeera oyagala asigala ako avaayo n'otandika new life and new chapter nange omuntu tagenda kufa naye n'abantu bewasa myaka 10 ne bawukana and get someone else.
Prima, do you think that you'll get the right person?
Yeah, because I know what I want and I'm not seated. I'm working for myself. So the right person will find me along the way. Yeah, and I'll get anyone who will bear with what I want. Yeah, and they say, "Bagenda kunkuba amigo kunkuba kwa face kuntimba."
Ekikutukangako ekyo kukuba.
Byadde byo kati byadde byayita. That's like the past for me.
And by then we're in a George.
That's like the past. So right now I'm focusing on me. I love myself. I mean, if you love yourself, then because if you love yourself, you know how to love someone else. So I love myself. I'm going to keep loving myself. The right person will find me loving myself. And I'll love them as well.
Prima nga tunatera okumaliriza ekyokubanga you and Mr. Henrie tewakyali nkolagana yonna mwa exchanging ebintu bingi business wise n'ebintu ebirala byonna bye tutamanya ebitabayanga mu public tugambe nti in case nga akomyewo okugamba nti bamune this and this and this tosobola muwa kutunda omuga nti munaye baby kino kyenakola bwekiti
kutu
like tosobola muwa attention n'omugamba ebyaliwo tuddemu tweyagale. According to you guys,
we did have a fight, breaking up. We woke up and we had to focus on ourselves. So let's respect that. Yeah, I'm just a call away in case he needs a friend. a business partner.
You guys are still like talking to each other.
I
still talking to each other.
Someone like breaking up is not a fight or something. I'm not supposed to fight with someone I was in love with. Why? I'm just a call away for business, for friendship, for advice, for anything. That's my business. That's my business. I beg.
You guys are still in.
That's my business. That's my business.
Ne PRIMA. Lwakuba goganya okubulira abantu ekituufu. Ensonga zino okuva lwava Dubai. Ezo scandals we zatandikira. Henrie obujja ne bumukwata nga bagamba medimo. Mbu yali olusaniya lwo.
Omanyi about that Dubai issue, nobody knew what happened. But I agree that yali Dubai. So I'll leave the opinions to people.
Ekituufu ki PRIMA? Ekituufu ki? Tell the audience ekituufu. Omusajja n'akwatibwa obujja. Kuba ebifaananyi bye mwekubyanga ne medimo bye bimu ku byalaga nti munnange enswa mmya neya neemye.
Okuba ekifaananyi n'omusajja nga jasinyimiridde bwe nti mba nkoze eki.
And big ambiwanti like era you guys you're still in touch with medimo. Like you're communicating.
Bye bye.
Wanji?
Ebibidala.
Okay, bako bugambo bwogambo musajja. Ali mu bulambu agenda okujja mu bulambu kozo ogambye. Sayo no tulago musajja.
Ambeko just obugambo ngamba bakazi out there. Byo musebe basajja byo kati nabyo mu mulambu.
Ne PRIMA mukyala anyiliranga ngoyinza bweranga.
Nabyo mu mulambu naye bawala out there, please don't force relationships. Banete mukaka relationship. Omusajja nawe akulaga red flag. Amanyi ogena relationship ngo ina red flags zo. Musajja okubeera lengo ina red flag oziwanise kapapola. Musajja wakola relationship kino red flag nazimala yongo gamba on buy exit. You have to make sure you stick on your words. Your standards. Basajja tebaina kubasukako.